Today, we are unboxing the VonWater reverse osmosis, which is huge, water filter system. I'm gonna show you exactly why I picked this one. First, it's light, which is nice because some of these water filters get really big, really heavy, really quick. So let's open this up. All right, we are in here. All right, we got a few things. First, and we got a warranty card. So we got these two things right here at the very top, really well packed. Boom, this is probably like a little dripper that you hold. And this isn't my first water system. I've gone through a few, but I really wanted to test this one out and see what it's like. So let me open this up. Oh, this feels nice, elegant, small, to the point. Should probably use a knife. Easy, simple. Next, let's unveil this baby. Here we go, the water system. Boom. All one piece, all good to go. All right. So we are unpacking this. Looks really nice. The top has a lot of little pieces of tape that keeps everything secure. Oh, this is cool. The little picture right here. This is awesome. Really nice machine. It's compact. I have another machine that's similar, but a lot bigger. So excited to see how this is gonna work. Let's get into it. Start pulling these little pieces of tape off. There's no easy way to do this. This is exciting. Whew. They're all really easy to take off, which is great. We got them all. There's some instructions right here, usage precautions or something like that. And as you can see on the back here, we have the wire, which I will pull off. Everything is set. Nothing else in the box. This box is empty. Super sleek. Gotta get a feel for it, but definitely really sleek. I'm guessing that goes right there. Yep, perfect. We got this pitcher here, which just comes off. It fills with water from the bottom, and then you can just pull it off and pull water, which is genius because the drip rate on some of these machines is really slow. I love the simplicity of the screen. There's just 4 options. Quick to turn on your water, super easy. I'm curious what this filter is. I gotta read that. Back here, what do we got? Boom. Take that off. How do you feel this? You fill this with water. It smells like plastic right now, so it's a little bit, gotta figure that one out. This is cool, handle built in. So boom, you could hold that like that. And then there's 2 little ports at the bottom here. So I'm curious if it pulls water from both at the same time. It has this indentation that helps it hook in to the back, which is nice. Boom. Lid is nice and clean. Tip, for better water taste, pour out water in the pitcher if it's been 24 hours. And sometimes these companies are like, don't waste the water. Oh, what's this? Little button there. Don't know what that does. I'll have to figure that out. Boom, just like that. Opened it. There's some usage protection. Let's see if this opens. Yep. And the main filter is right here. Yep. Okay, so the main filter is right here. Really easy to pull out. I love how thin everything is. The design is super sleek, and it's gonna fit really nice on a counter. It just looks really compact and easy. I'm gonna put it right next to my coffee machine and see how that looks.